Alright guys, so we have a G37 Coupe right here, and I'm going to teach you how to remove the rear spoiler. Hopefully your rear spoiler is not missing and you're trying to find a video on how to install it properly, but basically just do it reverse on how I'm taking it off, and that's how you install it. First things first, we're going to pull all these clips out of here, all these guys right here. So I'll start with these. These ones are kind of different. You want to go on the top right there and then pull out like that until it stops and it pulls it out. You can reuse those too. I don't know why they look so crazy. There's really no reason for them to look like that, but that's how they come off. So go in there, just give it a little wiggle. You're gonna pull it all the way out like that and then get under it right there, pop it out. And then just go to the normal style clips on the center. I always love taking these off because these never break on the trunks because it's not exposed to like dirt or sun. They just come off so nice. So that's gonna free everything up right there, and then you're gonna go to the, and then we're gonna go to the emergency pull handle. Just get under it sideways and twist this around and it'll free that up. Nothing's broken. Once you have that freed up, go to the handle. I think you're supposed to actually pull the trunk down with this, but nobody does that. So then you check to see if you missed any like I did. Pull that last clip out. And then your carpet comes out nicely. And then now you're given access to 1, 2, 3, 4 pins that hold this on. We're going to start with taking all those off. First we'll actually undo these clips so that when it comes off we don't have to do that. So those are free. Now we're going to take off the 8 mils around there. Alright, so I got a 8 mil and an extension. You don't need the extension. I just like it because then you don't have, like when you're trying to like reach for the nut that's coming off, you don't have to like fight around the gun. Just gives you a little more visibility. And just always double check on these. Make sure that you're not missing anything before you start prying on it. So I took those 3 off. We're going to see if this loosened up or not. So that loosened up like that. So just kind of easy, like rock this back and forth. And you're going to see the center is going to get loose like this before the outsides do. And you're going to want to get, you're going to want to get like a, I guess a pry tool under there. We're going to try and figure out where this pin is at directly. So looks like it's about right there. I'm going to try and get this guy under there. So you'll see the little pin under there that's hanging out. Just slid a rag under there, and that kind of showed where the where that pin was at. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So you kind of get it under there like that. But clearly, the pin is right there. So we freed up that outside. We're going to slide that under. And just do a little twist. Sounds so aggressive. But None of them broke. And we had already unplugged our harness. So just get that grommet out. Walk that out. Look at, they put double-sided tape on it from the factory. And it never even got pulled off. So I guess that's something to think of also. If yours does have double-sided tape on there, you're gonna have to run a razor blade, like get this corner popped up. You're gonna have to run a razor blade in there to cut the double-sided tape. And that is how you remove a G37 Coupe rear spoiler with a camera.